just above the hairline kidogo tu, yeah. Blend the wig cap. You see, it's more now nearer to my skin tone, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber here, thank you so much for joining the family, and if you're seeing my video for the first time, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below for me. And if you're a returning subscriber, I'm back with another video. So guys, in today's video I want to install a wig. Stay tuned. If that's something you want to watch, stay tuned, and please like this video, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below for me. So let's get straight into it.
Sisi ni watu tuna vitu vingi sana. Huyu nani? Who is this guy?
Tuachane naye huyo boda boda.
Why?
Boda boda.
Why between my interview you're passing around? I hate you.
So this is the hair I'm going to be wearing. I don't know if it's purple, whatever, and it's 24 inches. And the things you're going to be needing to install your hair, you need got to be glue, yeah, the spray, and then you need wax stick, yeah, to lay the hair. I'll show you. And then of course you need foundation. I'm going to show you where you use it. And then you need concealer. Isn't it common products that you have, probably the ones you use for your makeup? The purpose of these things is to match the, and then you need your brush to apply them, the foundation and the brush. And then of course you need this, a small one. You can use it for your eyebrows, edges, and now the wig I'm going to show you where. And then of course kichana, because my hair is all messed up. And then you're gonna need a wig cap, because you need to wear a wig cap with it. Brown one, because it's easier. Green, of course, you can see the colors. So this one is the one that go karibu to your skin. Okay, you don't want to be wearing a wig cap ya green surely ama ya blue. Okay, usilete hadi huku because it won't look realistic. So you need to have your wig cap somewhere there. Okay, somewhere there, so that your wig ilay. You know, we need something that's more realistic, that inakaa ni kama ni skin yako ikai tu huyu amevaa wig. You get my point, guys? You get my point? Yeah. Tell me if you're enjoying the video. Also, if you do install your own wigs na ukiona ninakosea mahali, tell a girl, you know? Then you go with your foundation. To blend the wig cap. You see, it's more now nearer to my skin tone, guys. You get my point? Yeah. For my girlies, it's time to wear wigs, yo. It's time to wear wigs. Okay, braids are good. I'm no hate. Actually, I'm supposed to get braids because I'm tired with wigs. You get tired, yeah. So yeah, but for now we're doing wig, baby girl. We are doing wigs. Get yourself a nice wig. Yeah? Get yourself a nice wig. So we want to have it right there. Okay? But if you're sure which pattern you want, if you want here, just focus your foundation here. If you want the side part, focus it there. But for me, I don't know which styling I would be going with. I don't know if it's the middle part or the side part. That's why I've done, just to be safe. You get. And then this is our hair. there you chase. Let me show you. So this is oopsie, nails guys, nails. So this is our hair. Okay. Yeah. So let's get through it, guys. I'm almost running late. It's mvua guys. Let me tell you, it's tough. It is tough. Outfit unavaa, unanyeshewa, unashanga kwani is how. So let's install it, okay? So it has two straps. Kuna this small one, then there's the big one. The big one is easy. It's just like it's easy. So guys, this is how you install. You see, the reason why with carpet hatujaileta mbele sana, it's because the hair now will come to lay hapo, okay? It will come to lay there. So you need to fix where you want it to lay. You see, this is the part we're going to be gluing down. So utaki the wig cap to be in front here because it will look not realistic, because now your wig will be all over here. So you need it somewhere there, just above the hairline. Kidogo tu, yeah? So I think for me, and then you adjust where you want it to fit, yeah? So I think for me, I want it to fit there, yeah? And then we tie the straps huko nyuma. Tie the small strap. So now we have it. Our wig is secure. For zenye zinakwanga glueless, you can go like that, but hii lazima you install with the wig. You get it? So for me, I think I'll go with the side parting because I think it looks better with my face structure. See what I mean, guys? See what I mean? I think it looks better with my face structure compared to katikati, okay? So here is where I want to glue it down. I want to glue it hapo, yeah? So that's why I want to glue it. So now we go straight to the gluing, guys. Just hold the rest of your hair down and then you remain with the parts that you want, okay? Yeah, you remain. Then now we go to the glue. Guys, I'm trying to hurry up kwa sababu time kidogo. So this is how you spray. After now you have the glue, now you glue it down. Hold it kidogo tu, not sana, just kidogo for it to hold the structure, okay? Yeah, so I think now that part we have it. Unaona haiwezi inuka. And then now we continue to the rest. We do that to the rest. Guys, it's running. My glue is running so fast. used to it, itaharibu your hairline. I told you to open a steamer. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to the next one, then we're gonna see kama tutapata electricity, kama tutaomba we straighten this out, and then I'll come do a talkover for what you need to do at home, okay? But what I'm going to be needing is the wax ni ya kulalisha hapa. You just apply, okay? It's just wax, and then to melt it you use the comb. Unachana na comb ikiwa moto, and then it lays nice and easy, okay? And then now for the concealer you apply it here. Hiyo ndakuja tufanye, but for now let's go comb this out. So see you in a few guys. Nimeenda and I am back. Nimeenda nikachana. I don't know if you can tell the difference. Okay, sahi imelala. This is what you mean. Okay, it's not full because you know. So what I did, nimeenda kutengeneza eyebrows guys. Yeah. Natengeneza hii because nimerudi bado sijavaa my outfit of the day guys, and I'm running late. So right now it's 12:45. I'm supposed to be at Two Rivers at 2 p.m. okay? But the good thing Okay? So guys, ameshaisikia marathon makeup. Marathon makeup. It's what we're about to do right now. Yeah. So my makeup artist, hey, leo vituko zinaenda kufanya kwa hiyo, so don't judge, yeah? Don't judge. So nimetoka kutengeneza eyebrows and that's where nimechana. Mwenye hiyo nitengeneza was like yo kwetu stima is a problem. Hiyo ni history, like history. So guys, first things first, I'm gonna start with the lashes zikiingia, we are good to go. So I'm gonna start with the lashes.